Good morning. It's going to be light soon, and I'm still not going to calm down. And so, I decided to try one of the most probably lightweight distributions. This is with Linux. That's how you see what it is. This is a Geola browser. The system eats 19 RAM. I allocated 124 megabytes. The processor is 6%. That is, it does not eat anything at all. It seems to me that it can be safely installed on some 486, some 32 RAM. It will work. By the way, I have a Pentium 2, 64 megabytes of RAM at my dacha. It costs 98, and as I think probably, there is no sense to keep the 98 there. So, let's say Firefox, open up. So, the system is based on Debian. Well, what are we going to launch, right? Let's go to YouTube. Naturally, it seems to me. Yeah, it's the search that saves. Naturally, it seems to me that he will not play the video, but it is still possible to embed some kind of flash player. The browser is very old, he says. As I was interested, you can put a weather forecaster here, include Biblianev repositories. Well, as an option, it seems to me to use this particular system on some Pentium 1, a RAM SAT, a video card 2 or 3 megabytes. Everything will fly and work fine. So, let's see what there is for software. So this is a text editor, a graphic editor. You can draw something. In general, the beauty of Linux is that you can install this system on anything, even on a very old computer, just to revive it. Because there are a lot of window managers that do not consume resources at all, and you can make an excellent workhorse out of an old machine, raise a server on it, or just work with documents there. Install even some old Office, and everything will work fine. So, this is our system settings. This is our folder. So, this is our program. So this is our MP3. You can already listen. The program for playback is sitting. Do not start. Well, as you can see, the expense of going to the office has grown some kind of dialer or what. I don't understand it that way. This is less for us. Then, we have a search system. Terminal. Viewing the picture. What kind of text editor is this? 67 RAM. It's so wildly funny. So, what do we have here? Make an office calculator. Calendar. Here in the last review, I considered the carousel system, that is the Amigo system. Yes, it seems to me that DLs will be much better than they are. It will be much more convenient, much faster to work on old hardware, the same viewer, let's say, yes, TED. Here under the genus. So, they didn't spend it there in vain, so it's a launch. The root grandmother. You can see what doesn't work here at all. And what kind of thunder is there? Why is it needed? I have 1 and 2 for retirement. So, we don't have an internet section like this. ASIA is some kind of. So, Sambo. So I have an email client. Yes, a simple email client. In principle, there is everything here. Everything you need. Moreover, if it is really possible to connect the Debian repository and put some other old variety, put it here. I don't know there. If you have a Pentium 2, 128 RAM, put for example, some Popen Office, there is 1 and 0, or a GNOME Office there, a number there, an abortion. You can work quite comfortably. So, yes, I think here are all the charms of any Linux. You can raise the server. So the sound should already work. Let's go to some music site. Let's download some song and listen to it. The last time I launched it, well, probably on the Riot 8, 10, and maybe even I'm lying. Most likely I even launched it on the Blade 4.1, when I had a not quite powerful computer, and when I put a Blade 4.1 with Sneakers 3rd. A very nice distribution. I really like it. Well, let's download this. So, swing. Please. What is it? Yes, something is not working very well with us. But, I think it's all the emulator glitches. Most likely they are. Well, he eats 80 meters. So, come on, we'll close the whole prot on the rocks. Let's do it again. I think this is a problem of this boxing, rather than a distributive. Personally, I like it. I'll try to install it on my old Pentium 2. Yes, I think you will find a use for it yourself.